guys. So, start na tayo magluto sa chicken na may sabaw, guys. Ayan. So, start na tayo. Lagyan natin ng kaunting, a little bit, oil. Yes. Ayan, kunti lang, guys. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin ng kunting oil. Ayan. Kasi, para isahin natin yung bawang, guys. Ayan. First, we need to pahinaan natin yung guys, kasi lumakas eh. Ayan, pahinaan na muna natin yan. Gisa natin yung bawang, yung garlic, guys. The first we need to do, so we put garlic. Ayan. So garlic muna, guys. Ayan. Lagyan muna natin ng garlic. Ayan. So, lagyan na natin ng garlic, right? So, ayan. Panuhin muna natin yung magiging brown siya, guys. Ayan. So, tapos, where's the onion here, guys? Ayan. Ito yung onion, guys. Ayan. Second, the onion. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng onion, guys. Kunti lang yung lagay ko ng onion, guys, kasi meron naman tayong meron tayong powder. Lagyan ko ng powder niyan, guys. Pagkatapos niyan, lagay natin ng tomato. Lagay natin yung tomato, guys. Lagay ko yung tomato. Ayan. Kasi masarap pag may tomato, guys. Lagyan ko ng tomato, right? Lagyan natin ng tomato. Ayan, lagyan ko ng tomato. Pagkatapos ng tomato, natin? Ilagay natin yung lagyan natin yung chicken, guys. Pagkatapos ng tomato, ilagay natin ang chicken. Lagay ko. Tingnan yung chicken, guys. Ayan. Lagay ko yung chicken. Ayan. Lagay natin yung chicken, guys. Napakarami ko yung chicken, guys. Ayan. Then, takpan natin, guys. Takpan natin yung guys. Guys, lagyan natin ng Ajinomoto, guys. At saka magic sarap, right? So, mas nice talaga pag malagyan ng Ajinomoto, guys. So na-stop talaga yung video ko sa kanina. So, yan. Continue natin. So, meron tayong bitsin, Ajinomoto, bitsin kung tawagin natin doon, yan. At saka meron tayong, this is umami seasoning, guys. Ayan, pero nasa sa inyo na talaga, guys, ha. At saka, meron tayong magic syrup. So, nasa sa inyo na kung gusto niyo bang lagyan nito at saka dito. So, nasa sa akin, gusto ko talang merong ganito every cook. Yan. So, meron tayong chili. Yeah, I put a little bit chili. And then also, the garlic powder, guys. Ayan. At saka, meron tayong ground black pepper. So, yan ang inalagay ko dito, guys, para lalong sumarap. At saka, pagka na nito, guys, yung kumukulo na talaga, lagay natin yung cabbage, guys. Ayan, meron tayong cabbage. A lot of cabbage, right? So, very important that we can put a cabbage because it will be more so delicious, so yummy. Ayan. Waiting natin, guys, yung kumukulo talaga, guys, para yung lumambot yung carrots, yan. Magiging soft yung carrots, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Para magiging sarap. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung guys, yung kaunting garlic powder. Yan, lagyan na natin, guys, ha. Yan, lagyan natin ng kunti kasi meron ng garlic yun, eh. Tapos, lagay tayo ng black pepper. Ayan. Lagyan na natin yung ground black pepper. Kunti lang, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Para sumarap. Ayan. Mamaya na yung chili powders, guys. Ayan. Mamaya ko na yan ilagay, guys. Saka, lagyan na natin yung magic sarap. Yan. So, talagang meron talaga tayong magic sarap dito, guys. Hindi pwede walang magic sarap sa Ellie Betty. Pag magluto, talagang may magic sarap talaga, guys. Ayan. So, ilagay na natin yung magic sarap. So, sabi ko sa inyo, guys, ha, I said that it's up to you guys if you want to put magic sarap because I don't know. Yeah, like, if you like the magic sarap. So, I put a little bit with that. Yep. And then, I need to put a little bit bitsin. Yeah. Kunting bitsin lang, guys. Ayan. Kasi, masarap na yan eh. Ayan. Kunti lang, guys. Talagang sasarap talaga to, guys. Oh my God! Sus. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala, guys. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko pala lagyan ng ano yan. Yung luya, guys. Ayan. Ginger, nalimutan ko. So, wait, guys, ha. So, very easy, guys. Easy ka talaga yung gagawin, guys. Kasi nalimutan ko yung ginger pala. Dapat talaga mayroong ginger din para lalong sumasarap. Ayan. Harap pag may ginger din, guys. So, lagay natin yung ginger. Wait, guys, ha. Feel ko yung, balatan ko yung ginger, guys. Kunti lang. So, gusto nyo talagang lagyan ng ginger, guys, para sumasarap. Kasi chicken yan yun. The best talaga pag mayroon ding ginger. Kahit kunti lang, guys. So, lagyan natin ng kunting ginger. Ayan, maliit lang, guys. Limutan ko kasi. So, nag-slice ako ng ginger. Ayan. Slice ako ng ginger, guys. Tapos, parang lalong sumasarap talaga. So, ito na yung ginger, guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng konting ginger. Ayan. Ito ay, luya sa Pilipinas, right? So, lagay natin ng luya. Kunting luya, guys. Ayan. Sarap kaya nito. Oh my God. Wow. Tapos, lagyan natin ng kunting asin. Salt, right? Yeah, we have iodized salt here, guys. Look. So, kunting salt lang, guys. Ayan. Para may salty kunting meron na lang tayo ng salt. Lagyan natin ng salt. Hindi pwede walang salt yan, guys. Para madamami yata. Ayan, kunti lang, guys. Ayan. So, linagyan natin ng salt, right? Yan. Sarap talaga yan. Alam ko talagang sarap. Masarap talaga nito. Sarap talaga to. Hindi na itong kunti ng magic sarap yan. Yan. Sus, talagang sasarap talaga to. Sus, the best. Sus. Tapos, tikman natin, guys. Yeah, we need to taste if it's not very salty. I'm going to put a little bit. Yan. Sus, talagang sarap talaga to. Sus. You know, guys, di ba basta cold? Yung cold talaga. Sus, tignan nyo. Parang nakikita nyo dito yan sa window ko, guys. Sus, napaka, talaga, paglalabas tayo dyan. Sus, grabing sobrang cold. But, you know, guys, I need to, to just handle it. Like, I want that, I feel like I'm in the house, inside the house in the Philippines. Like, I turn on the aircon because it's too hot. But now here, guys, wala talaga tayong aircon dito. Ang aircon natin ay yung snow nila sa labas. My God. Tapos pumapasok yung lamig dito sa loob ng bahay, guys. Napaka, talaga. Napakalamig talaga guys, pero parang tinitiis ko lang talaga. Dapat talagang i-handle natin. Parang smile lang tayo kahit malamig. Pero minsan kasi parang hindi ko kakayanin. So talagang nakabalot talaga ako guys. Yung balot na balot talaga guys. So, ayan. Try ko na lang na yung i-feel ko minsan yung nasa bahay lang ako, nasa loob lang ako ng bahay, sa bed ako doon sa Pilipinas, sa bedroom doon, yan. Pag pumapasok ko doon kasi mainit talaga sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, feel ko lang talaga na nandoon ako sa loob. Hala guys, napakasarap talaga. Wow! Wala pa yung wala pa yung cabbage na yan. So, lagyan mo natin kunti ng water guys. Parang 2.5 it's better. Parang 2.5 it's better guys. Yan. Para talagang tayo guys, lagyan natin ng kunting black pepper, parang kunti lang nalagay ko eh. Ayan. Sus, talagang sarap talaga to guys. Sus, ang result nito guys, so yummy. If we cook guys, we need to put in our heart so that the result is so yummy and delicious, you know, right? So, kung gagawa tayo, kung magluto tayo guys, talagang damdamin natin guys, yung parang, talagang sumasarap talaga to, ganun. Para yung resulta guys, ay masarap. Ayan. The result is so yummy, very delicious because you put in your heart if you're starting to cook guys. Ayan. Natin sa talagang sasarap yung mga luto natin, ganun. Yun ang pinaka-importante guys, right? So ayan. So parang kulang talaga yan ng asin kasi nilagyan natin ng yung half glass, right? Pinagdagan natin kasi parang kunti lang eh. Yan. So ayan guys. Tapos natin yung palakasin natin yung yan, para madali na lang siyang kumulo. Yan. Sus, super delicious kaya nito guys pagkatapos. Yan. Sus, napaka-delicious kaya nito. Ayan. Akala nyo guys, doon sa Cebu talagang ay ko talagang bumili ng mga pagkain sa mga tindahan, gano'n. Pero minsan guys, bumili ako pag hindi talaga kaya, parang napagod ako, parang I feel so tired na of that day. So that's the time that I go to the store there that they sell foods, you know. But for me guys, because I want to cook talaga sa bahay, mas maganda talaga yung mag-cook tayo sa bahay guys, para alam natin kung paano natin i-cook yung foods natin, maalam natin kung clean ba talaga, kung gaano niluto. Tapos mas maganda talaga tayo ang magluto guys, kasi para makasave tayo, right? Yeah, so kung ako, makikita niyo ako sa mga vlogs ko na kumakain ng restaurant, yun lang yun guys, kung yung mayroon talaga kami mga time ng bonding. That's the time that I want to be bonding with my 2 children. Yeah, my child is there, yeah. That's the time that I need to be bonding with them, yeah, because we're talking, and then not just like if they have time to be with, to go to somewhere, to go to the restaurants, that's the time that we eat in the outside guys. But in the everyday guys, I like to cook, yeah. It's better you to cook that we can save, right? It's better to save that, yeah. And then you always eat in the outside guys. Yan. So, tikman natin guys ha. Tikim ako guys. So yummy, very delicious. Oh my god. Wow. Napakasarap talaga guys. So it's time na that we can put the cabbage guys. Ayan. So lalo talagang sumasarap to guys paglagyan natin ng cabbage. Ayan. Super sarap. Ang sarap-sarap talaga nito guys. Ayan. Sus, hanggang sasarap talaga to guys. Ayan. Ang pinaka-importante guys, yung sumasarap talaga ang food. Ayan. 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 Dapat talagang, ano, yung luto pa talagang sarapan natin guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng mga condiments guys. That's very important. So, takpan natin guys. Ayan. Talagang takpan natin guys. Kunti. Sus, you know guys, sus. Grabe talaga, parang gusto ko nang kumain pagkatapos dito guys kasi ano, ang lamig dito guys. Patingnan niyo ako naka-short, right? Because, you know, sometimes guys I want to, you know, because there in the Philippines guys, I'm not just, you know, balot na balot talaga doon. Gusto ko talagang mag-short, ganun, parang free yung paa ko, ganun. Gusto ko talagang magaganito, pero kahit malamig guys, talagang i-handle ko talaga. Subukan natin na ano, mag-short tayo minsan. Kasi para hindi ako ganun sa Pilipinas, talaga ako mag-ano lang ako guys, yung binabalot ko yung legs ko pag doon ako sa gym, ganun. Or minsan nga, hindi nga ako magbalot. Kasi parang gusto ko yung free talaga yung ako. Hindi na parang balot na balot. Tingnan, hindi talaga ako makaganito doon sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Kasi dito, ibang-iba talaga dito guys. Sobrang lamig. So ngayon guys, tapos ko nito guys, kakain na tayo. Ayan. That's my lunch guys. So yummy. Look at guys. Very delicious, right? So, kung gusto niyo tong sundan, guys, ito lang yung ginagawa natin. Meron tayong garlic at saka onion. Slice tayo ng garlic, onion, at saka meron din akong cabbage at saka carrots. Ayan, at saka prepare natin yung chicken. Ayan. Ito yung chicken ko na ginawa ko, guys. Leftover ko to sa last night, yeah. So, and then, I don't want to waste the chicken, yeah. So, it's better that we can make the chicken na may sabaw, right? Yeah, so, that's it lang guys, and then I put the condiments like black pepper, and then I have my chili powder here if you want it, and then we have a garlic. I put a little garlic with I put already garlic, right, and the onion, but I really like that we can have a little bit like powder also. It's up to you guys, and then I put also for magic syrup and then vixen. So it's up to you guys if you want to put with that, and then I have a cabbage, so that's it. Yeah, so taste it if you feel like very yummy na. So that's it. So hoping guys you make my you're happy and enjoy to see my everyday's life here, to make a video with you guys. So enjoy because I'm just hoping you that you subscribe me in my YouTube channel, Ellie Betty, and then click the like and leave a comment there guys, because I will be happy with that if you leave a comment, because I don't want to miss to not to reply to you guys in my YouTube channel, even here in my Facebook. So thank you guys and God bless. I know in the Philippines it's night there, so here it's afternoon, yeah, almost 12 na in the afternoon. So guys, have a good night there to you, and have a good day here in Minnesota. So thank you guys for watching my vlogs and everyday's life here. This is Ellie Betty, Vloggers in Cebu, Philippines. So as I'm here na in the United States of Minnesota guys, so thank you for subscribe me, and who will not subscribe me yet, hoping that you can subscribe me in my YouTube guys, my vlogs in everyday's life here in Minnesota, so that you will be help me, yeah, to follow my YouTube, and then I can have a lot of followers, yeah, so that you can see lots of my videos guys in my YouTube channel, and here also in my Facebook, in any apps also. Thank you guys, God bless, bye.